It's exciting to explore stuff you've not explored. It's like, for example, Gauri Nath. Forget that I haven't played a character like this. I don't know of a person like this. I was very lucky to be a part of projects which were amazing. Satya, Monsoon Wedding, Gandhi, My Father, last year. I mean, so I don't have a very long resume, but I do have a strong resume.
So today we have with us Shefali Shah, who will be talking to us about her upcoming series, Human. So thank you so much, ma'am, for joining us.
Thank you. My pleasure.
I'll start by talking about a comment that has dropped on the trailer on social media. It says, this subject was not approved by film boards. Finally, OTT has given space for this subject. Was this supposed to be a feature film?
I think the comment is a generic comment about this subject not being explored in films. But irrespective, yes, it was supposed to be a film. And Vipul had worked on it a long, long time ago. And then I guess as time went by and as he started dwelling more into it, he realized that this needed a longer time span and an expansive time span to be able to tell the entire story. And that's how he started working on the script for the show with Moses Singh and Ishani. And that's how the show came about. And I'm glad it's a show because it's too complex and there is so much to it. It would have been difficult to show it in 2.5 hours.
The series talks about drug trials on humans and its consequences. So as actors, is it fascinating to explore such subjects that have not been dabbled with before?
You know, as an actor, though, Kika, as a person, you've heard of trials. You've heard of the drug trials. But you don't really know the details of it. What I had heard of and what I had read of was just the skim of it. And with this, I got to know so much about it, which I wasn't even aware of. And it's astonishing, it's overwhelming, it's daunting. And it's like, oh my God, this kind of stuff happens in life.
The characters seem to have shades of grey. Nobody can be trusted. Even though it deals with a brutal subject, can we expect some pulsating twists and turns?
It's a Pandora's box. Okay. You don't know what is going to hit you the next. I have worked on the script. I have read the script more than 100 times. And still, every time I went on set or, you know, even when I saw the rough cut or the rushes of it, I was like, oh my God, really? This is what happens? It's so vast and it's so complicated and so complex that it's like every minute is, oh, wow, what happened here?
You know, the kind of choices that you have made as an actor, be it Delhi Crime or Dil Dhadakne Do, these are films and series that are not just for entertainment. I mean, they can jolt you. So do you feel a certain sense of discomfort is also a necessary emotion for cinema?
I don't feel discomfort. I just feel very excited when I'm offered something which is completely out of my comfort zone. I've been lucky to be a part of projects like that. It's exciting to explore stuff you've not explored. It's like, for example, Gauri Nath in Human. She is completely, forget that I haven't played a character like this. I don't know of a person like this. And everyone who's on board of this show, they were all like, oh God, we don't know anybody like this. We haven't heard of a person. I don't know who she is even till date. I haven't been able to wrap my head around her.
No, you have been directed by Vipul Shah before in Waqt. So do you feel, has he changed as a filmmaker over the years? Or is he still the same?
All of us evolve. It's important for us to evolve. Otherwise, you'll be so stagnant and boring. I've seen Vipul evolve. I've seen him grow. And I'm very proud of him. But then, well, I'm his wife and I love him dearly. But his growth or what he brings to the table today, comparatively to what he's done earlier, is something that the director, the audience is better able to decide.
I have to talk about Dil Dhadakne Do. Your character Neelam, she's aware of her husband's infidelity, and yet she never confronts him, even in person. So when you read your character, did you think about the reasons behind her silence?
You know, you have to question it. And the more you question it, the more you think about it, and the more you chew on it, it's only going to grow from there. And even as an actor, the more you question yourself, the more you doubt yourself, the more you feel, oh my God, I'm not ready enough, is where growth comes from.
You know, as an actor, what is the importance of saying no to a film or a project?
So there's this joke in my family between the three men. my sons and my husband. They say, you only sin. But see, I started doing work. I got appreciated for it. I was very lucky to be a part of projects which were amazing. Satya, Monsoon Wedding, Gandhi, My Father, last year. I mean, so I don't have a very long resume, but I do have a strong resume. So every time I did a project, I felt, either I do something that matches up to this or it takes it higher. It used to bother me that kind of work wasn't coming. And then after a point of time, I reached a very comfortable zone where I understood that the work I want to do will come rarely. It's very special. And I'm fine with waiting. And I'm fine with saying no to something that doesn't excite me. If I wanted, I could have worked 365 days a year. According to my family, I could have worked all the time and I would have been very famous and I would have made a lot of money. But I said no, and I said, I'll wait. And I'm so glad I made that choice. I do not have professional calculations. I go with my instinct, I go with my heart, I go with my gut. Something hits me right in there, I will do it.
What is the one takeaway viewers can have after watching Human?
I really don't know. Because, this entire subject is so complicated. And there are so many things at play. There are so many sides to it that it's impossible to encapsulate it in a show, even as vast and as complex as Human. So I don't really know what people will take away from this. And I honestly don't want to go there. I normally never, ever judge, or I don't even, when I'm doing a project, I don't think of where it's going to go or what is going to happen to it. It might seem unbelievable, but it's true. Of course, I want people to watch it and appreciate it and appreciate me. But when I do a project, the making of it is, for me, paramount. I enjoy it so much. I love it so much. So, uske baad kya hoga? Like every baby, every project, every film, every show is born with a destiny of its own. You don't know what people are going to like or not like about it. You don't know what is going to click, what is not going to click. Otherwise, everybody would be making successful films. We've put in a lot of passion into this. A lot of passion into this, a lot of madness into the way it's been created. And I hope that's the same passion that people feel for it.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for talking to us. Thank you for your time. Looking forward to watching Human, and all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.